What's going on, everyone? Doing a tire change on this Jeep here. Got my tools out already. But put the spare tire down. Shouldn't be too much of a hassle. I already have my rod in there. And car came with its own, but this is what you'll find a lot of the times. The tools are always incomplete, or they're missing a couple here and there. I haven't looked too much in it, but that's why I carry my own. Don't like to depend on customer stuff. But I will use this guy if it'll fit. No. So let's get this tire down. Look at that. Let me just do this. And there she is. Spare out from underneath it. Nothing like a rusted old mechanism. Oh, this mechanism was a little rusted. I'm talking to the camera here. Now we're gonna jack it up and put the tire on it. All right, kids, she's off the ground. Now we're gonna take these lug nuts off. My guess is that is a 19 millimeter. So yep, I was right, 19 millimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There she is. Tire is off. Put the spare tire on. All right, so we're gonna zip them back on with a 100-pound torque stick. All right, so skip the step, the tire's on. We're just gonna air it up to adequate pressure. She's inflating. Almost ready to go. Forgot to show y'all that part, but the tire's already up. And we're good to go. And there's another call done. Thanks for watching.